Hey YouTube, it's Coach Jared Snyder. I am a sweaty mess. Oh my gosh. I just did this workout. I don't know if you can see. That's my trainer right there, Sean T. Pushed me to my limit. I'm doing this program called Insanity Max 30, which is off an app called Beachbody on Demand, which a company that I am a coach for. And I love these workouts, and that's why every day I show up and I keep on trying to help people get into these programs because their trainers are so motivating, and it's just something easy you can do at home. And I just don't know, like me being a dad, I can't always have the time to go to a gym or whatever, and I just have to make time for myself. And this program actually is 30 minutes. So my wife got home from work, I told her I had to work out, she said okay, and so did my 30 minutes. I am a sweaty mess, but I feel better because I got a workout in. And the benefits of my workouts have been more energy, just feel good, clothes are fitting better, my body's taking shape. So, but just a lot of benefits from it. I'm gonna leave some links below. Please check them out. Please, I'd love to be your coach. I'd love to get you guys signed up in these programs because they're amazing. There's so many of them for every lifestyle. We got yoga, we've got cardio, we've got weight training, we've got like a Pilates. I mean, we even got a running program. We're getting a cycling bike for some workouts here to come in the fall. Also, Beachbody is called BOD. They're gonna go live, and you can be in classes, live classes with the trainers, and it's just a lot of cool stuff that's going on in the Beachbody world. So if you want some of this awesome and amazing stuff, you got to sign up, and I have links below. You can sign up, and then we can get you in my group, and I can just keep on feeding you the information that you need, and yeah, you can just be part of this awesome, amazing accountability group. And but anyways, it's Monday. I did not miss a Monday, because like the quote always says, never miss a Monday. So I hope that you didn't, but if you do need a workout, please don't hesitate to get with me, comment below, let me know what you're looking for, and we can get you into something. But anyways, I gotta hit the showers and then making some dinner, and have a happy rest of your Monday. Take care, God bless, love you guys. And if you have not yet, please subscribe, and thank you for all the subscribes. Within the last 30 days, I have over like 62 new subscribers, which is amazing. Thank you so much. And I'm gonna just keep on bringing it to you guys. Please leave me comments or anything that might be able to help you out, or any issues you're having with your health and fitness. I can find answers for you, and maybe help you get over your stumbling blocks and move forward from what you're trying to get over. But anyways, take care, God bless, love you guys, and have a great Monday. We'll be back with you tomorrow.